Stephen, I was out and about in those crowds, the mob, on Thursday and part of Friday. We were out and about in Minneapolis. Is the word insurgency accurate? That is what I've chosen to describe this as, not a protest, not from what I saw.
Absolutely it is, Laura. You can use the term insurgency. You can use the term insurrection. You can use the term domestic terrorism. Mayor Jacob Frey, Governor Tim Walz, Attorney General Keith Ellison have deliberately, willfully, and purposefully incited this violent insurrection, this violent insurgency against immigration and customs enforcement, against Border Patrol. When you have mayors and state leaders saying that they're going to order the federal government, order federal law enforcement out of their city in order to maintain enclaves of criminal illegal aliens and criminal refugees who are looting and pillaging the state and the American people, when you have them effectively banning the city police and the state police from rendering life-saving aid to ICE officers, from rendering necessary protection and support to the federal government when it is under siege and carrying out these operations, that is a direct assault and attack on the federal government. And let's understand this. Why is ICE there? In addition to its obligation in every city, in every state, in every territory to uphold our nation's immigration laws, in addition to and beyond that, Minneapolis is a sanctuary city. It is a sanctuary state in Minnesota that has adopted a criminal policy of shielding and harboring illegal aliens and terrorists. And furthermore, we have uncovered a massive scandal run by Somali refugees to steal tens of billions of dollars from the federal treasury. So this entire scheme, all of these domestic terrorists hurling themselves in front of ICE officers, trying to prevent these actions from taking place, engaging in these trained insurgent tactics to try to stop federal enforcement from taking place, is to protect a Somali criminal refugee population that is looting and pillaging the federal treasury.
Stephen, one thing that I'm concerned about is what I saw happen. I don't think we have the video, but up in St. Cloud, Minnesota, the agents were surrounded real fast because, you know, they report their whereabouts and then a mob descends upon them. And so they were ultimately driven out of the scene because it was too dangerous. It was overwhelmed. How do you guys deal with that, given this network that's involved in stopping ICE? And is it time to invoke the Insurrection Act? Or would that stoke more unrest, anger, and deplete the trust that's already depleted somewhat in ICE?
Well, we are never, the President of the United States is never going to make a decision about what to do or what not to do based on how it might upset the violent left-wing insurgents. His obligation, what he is supremely committed to, is enforcing and upholding the sovereignty of the United States.